Welcome to the Digital Twins project. In this video, we will showcase how you can connect and test the Automation Technician for Industry 4.0 module. After connecting to the AnyDesk app, you will click on the Ceros icon. You will then click on the MES4 icon. Click on Production Control, and then on Resources, where you can check if all the application modules in the digital twin are connected to the MES4 and work correctly. The warning lights must be green. Click on New Production Order, and then Add Position. Here you can select the type of product and the quantity. Select the same image in your video tutorial stream. You must start the digital twin in Ceros before starting a new order in the MES4, pushing play in the playback control in the top left. The carriers start moving. Go to the control panel and select Start Order. Choose the same image in your tutorial video with the pointer over the Start Order button. You can move the digital twin around and observe the process. From current orders, you can check all the details. You can see the process happening live on the digital twin. Click Stop in Ceros Playback Control to stop the digital twin, then push the top right cross to close Ceros. Click the top right cross in MES4 and answer C, yes to the question, do you really want to close this program? To find out more on how to book a session with our partners' laboratories, make sure to watch our first video. Thank you for watching.